Hey guys, welcome to REIForDummies.com. We are a live freestyle real estate investment webinar. I'm going to be teaching the class 2 nights a week, about an hour, hour and a half on Tuesdays and Thursdays between 6:30 and 7:30. But first and foremost, what I like to do is let you guys know this is not a guru class. It's no bullshit, no fluff. I'm not going to post fancy cars, mansions, all that BS to blow smoke up your ass, okay? What we will be doing is discussing wholesaling, flipping, and rentals. Basically, with the wholesaling, we're going to be discussing finding deals cheap enough to wholesale to other investors. Then teaching you guys how to structure that deal with the contract, so the assignments, and then funding those deals if you need funding, like transactional funding, or in private investor funding for double closing, okay? And then what you're going to do is market those properties to other investors. How you're going to market to them, how you're going to build that database of investors or buyers. And that's most importantly is closing the deal. Without closing, you don't get paid. So which attorneys to use, title companies to use to facilitate the transaction and actually get paid at the closing, okay? Buying and flipping. Another real estate investment option is finding the deals, okay? Which deals are the best deals? Highest and best use for that property. Get the biggest return on investment. Working with contractors, that's going to be the biggest pitfall any real estate investor is going to face, and it's either going to make or break that deal for you, okay? Funding the deals, hard money lenders, private money, raising capital, gap funding. That's what we're going to be discussing also. Draws and carry costs, another pitfall that a lot of investors can either make or break that deal is carrying costs, interest payments to lenders every single month, and putting money up front to your first draw check comes from your hard money lenders or your investors. Avoiding unnecessary rehab costs. I'll show you tricks and tips to avoid a lot of unnecessary rehab costs. A lot of people just gut an entire house where they don't need to. JV with money partners, and then building a portfolio before and after, okay? And then my bread and butter, the business, is rental properties. I own over 300 doors currently, and we're going to be discussing how to analyze these deals, how to analyze the returns. We have spreadsheets. You plug in the numbers, and it'll spit out your returns and calculations for you. Tenant screening, that's going to be your biggest pitfall as a landlord. You want to screen the tenants properly, make sure they're going to be great tenants for the next 5, 10, 15 years. You want to keep your tenant retention very high and your vacancy rate very low. Avoiding tenant complaints. I'll show you how to avoid what to do and how to avoid the tenant complaints. And then more importantly, as you keep your portfolio growing, how to increase your REI on the entire portfolio. Okay, again, we are a live freestyle real estate investment webinar, and then also keep in mind this is no bullshit, no fluff. I can't reiterate that as much as I like. I really don't want you guys to come on here thinking I'm gonna upsell you. I'm not. I'm here to teach you guys to take calculated real estate investment risks and maximize your profits. Okay? If you guys are looking to learn, I'm willing to teach you guys. Sign up at REIForDummies.com. Thank you.